We are Group of 4, and our new product is a multifunctional dressing table. These are the 5 main contents of our project. First, let's start with overview. More and more people use fridge to store cosmetics to protect the quality of cosmetics. If you put the fridge in the dressing table, it will take a lot of space, so we develop a new dressing table with fridge. This is the model of the new dressing table with fridge. The basic function of this dressing table is to make up, and if you put the mirror down, it can be a desk. You can use it to study or work. The fridge can be used to store cosmetics such as perfume, lotion, cream. The oils used to fragrance can be very heat sensitive. Cream and lotions can separate after being stored at high temperature for a long period of time. Now, I will talk about how do we explore the opportunity for this new product. Firstly, we identified the need on the basis of a fact, which is the best temperature of storing cosmetics is 8 to 12 degrees Celsius. So, putting your cosmetics product in an overheat environment for a long time can cause some products to become less effective, especially those with active ingredients such as sunscreen, heat, and humidity cause wax, oil, and water to separate, and finally cause some ingredients to become useless. Then we also find strong desire among men and women to retain youthful appearance is booming. On the one hand, the global cosmetics market is going to reach around $800 billion in 5 years. On the other hand, the anti-aging product market is growing fast too, which shows an increasing awareness of skincare. This can be a big potential for us to develop the cosmetics-related product. And next, I will explain more details about the need and benefits of our new product. Let's move to the third part, concept generation. During the last few years, customers have extended their awareness of health on skin. The growing interest in natural cosmetics can be found everywhere in social media. People are actively looking for cosmetics evaluation, recommendation, and other questions like how to store their cosmetics appropriately. There have been many cosmetics in the market that need to be stored in dry and cool place. Some common ingredients in skincare products are VC, VC derivatives, retinol derivatives, and other hydroxy chemicals. They are very sensitive to a changeable environment and easy to be degraded or contaminated if stored not in cool and dry place. The technology we are going to use in our new product is cooling mechanism in a refrigerator. We simply use refrigerator to store our daily consumptions, as it has function to keep a constant cooling temperature and dry environment. This is what we need for our new product. We could deploy that cooling machine, re-engineer and prefabricate it into a cooling cabinet. The following video shows the details of our new product. Now it is time to introduce the concept test of our new product. We developed 2 concept statements along with modified one having antibacterial function of ultraviolet ray in the concept testing. There are 50 respondents participating in our questionnaire. 82% of respondents are female, 74% are students, and 46% of use dressing table. Light 2% of the respondents consider our product would be very different and somehow different from other available products now in the market. 76% of the respondents see the products are important to address their problems. 48% believe this new concept can be converted to a useful and marketable product, with 44% unsure and 8% believe the new concept cannot. 64 of the respondents think our product pricing is about right, and 32% think it's overpriced, which means our pricing is at expected level and major parts of a respondent. From the statistic calculation on purchase intention and potential market share, we find some positive result calculating potential. In original version of our product, 14% of the response will definitely buy it, and 36% will probably buy. By applying rule of thumb theory and estimating, we have 50% market awareness. We calculate that there are 12.8% actual purchaser for our original product and 13.6% for our enhanced one. We can also estimate potential market share with post-trial data. We assume long-term repeat purchase rate will be 30%, awareness will be 70% after heavy promotion, and 70% of the population will be available to our product. From calculation, we estimate 2.51% market share for our original version of products and 2.67% market share for enhanced version. Now let's move to the last section. The overall impression of response can be reflected by this word cloud. We can see that most response have positive thinking towards the new product. Lots of people mentioned good and practical, although there are still some people think it is pensive. The feedback on specific pollens is shown on this chart. The benefit that most respondents hope to get from this product is storing their cosmetics products appropriately. Lots of them regard the product as convenient, easy to use. The other purpose of customers is that this product is good for their skincare. From respondents' answers, we can get some recommendations for our product. Few respondents express the need of this multi-dressing table isn't high as current product can satisfy most of their demands. Like one response said, it can somehow solve the problem, but using a whole desk to address the cosmetic storing problem is a little bit too far. In this questionnaire, multifunctional is not substantial innovative enough for customer to see the value from purchase. We could add more features like auto washing cabinet for makeup tool. Few respondents also concerned about the materials and appearance design that be used to produce the multifunctional table. Respondents care about whether the materials will be degraded or rotted after long-term use. The various option and attractive appearance design also need to be considered in the product development process. The noise issue that generated from cool machine can be a problem when putting the dressing table in the living room. The development team need to identify noiseless technology which more favorable by customers. Lastly, according to the respondents of questionnaire, there are 5 kinds of after-sales services that response help the company to provide. Most customers think highly of a guarantee which can provide around 2 years free repair guarantee and 24/7 hotline. They also help to get the instruction manual and maintenance kit which help them to operate and maintain the table. Online customer service is also necessary for most customers. Well, that's all about our new product project. Thank you for listening.